Did you know sperm whales fall asleep floating straight up, completely still, just beneath the surface? In 2008, a research team sailing through the Pacific suddenly found themselves surrounded by them. A whole pod, motionless, vertical, like enormous statues drifting in open water. The crew had sailed right into the middle of a sleeping group before anyone realized what was happening. Sperm whales have the largest brains of any animal on Earth. And for those few hours each day, every single one of them is completely unreachable. Follow for more wild animal facts.